Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dull, bland coffee that's just not hitting the spot? Well, let me introduce you to the Viesimple Coffee Grinder, a game changer in the world of electric burr grinders. This top-rated, best-selling grinder is about to take your coffee experience to the next level. With a 2-year warranty, you can bet your morning brew on its reliability. The Viesimple Coffee Grinder has been flying off the shelves, and for good reason. It's incredibly well reviewed by countless customers who swear by its performance. One of the things that sets this grinder apart is its ability to produce a consistently smooth grind, with a texture that's just perfect for espresso or drip coffee. When you turn it on, you'll notice a satisfying hum, like a gentle whir that signals the start of your coffee journey. The feel of the grind beneath your fingertips is almost therapeutic, a tactile experience that gets you ready to take on the day. The result is a flavor that's rich and full-bodied, with notes of chocolate and caramel that will leave you wanting more. In real-life use, I've found that the Viesimple Coffee Grinder is a breeze to use, whether I'm making a quick morning cup or experimenting with new roast levels. It's also surprisingly easy to clean, with a design that allows for hassle-free maintenance. What really sets it apart, though, is the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're covered by a 2-year warranty. If anything goes wrong, you're protected. So why settle for subpar coffee when you can have the best? Give the Viesimple Coffee Grinder a try and discover a world of flavor that will leave you feeling like a coffee connoisseur. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.